And today we're doing a slime review. We're only doing one though, so yeah, that sucks. Here we go. This is, as you can see, Clear's slime, whatever that is. It's really, really soft and super stretchy. I can twist it. Yeah, weird. This isn't the best slime I've had. I've had better ones, but I just thought I would buy it for the fun of it. I have a few more of these. It came in a 5-pack. If there's anything else y'all want me to do, I can do those. But it's late at night. I can't do anything else. Sorry it's so short, but I gotta go.